I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming firmware and a solid physical setup. This avoids chasing phantom problems. Update the Astro A50 base station and headset, then position the boom 1-2 cm from your mouth at a slight angle to reduce plosives. Once done, set mix amp or base station gain and Windows microphone level at 50% as a baseline. This gives headroom for later tweaks. Make sure the mute is fully disengaged and the boom clicks in place so you capture a clean raw signal to work with next. Next, open Astro Command Center or your capture software and tackle tone and noise. Apply a high-pass filter at about 80 Hz to remove rumble and cut 250-500 Hz by a few dB to reduce muddiness. That cleans up the mid-range. Add a modest presence boost around 3-4 kHz to help consonance and intelligibility. Then enable a noise gate or noise reduction with conservative settings so your speech stays natural. You want fewer background sounds without chopping words or for final polish. Record test clips and aim for peaks near -6 dB to preserve dynamics and avoid clipping. Adjust gain accordingly. If you hear plosives, add a small pop filter or move the mic slightly off-axis. That reduces breath spikes without killing presence. If you get static, dropouts, or inconsistent volume, repair the headset, try a different USB port or power cycle the base station. If problems persist, reset settings to default and repeat the EQ baseline to isolate hardware versus software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.